Hi, so my name is Miss Shimoleski, and I created a game for my first grade class called Who Wants to Win $100? My game is very similar to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire and trivia. So the purpose of my game is obviously to see who wins $100 first. But in my game, we use technology by using Google. It's really a great source for looking up answers when the kids don't know, and it's better than me just telling them it. At least they can look it up. And it's proven that when kids look up things on their own without just the person telling them, then they're more likely to learn it. So anyways, to start out my game, I divide my class into 4 teams. Group A, B, C, and D. And each of my teams has a speaker. And the speaker is chosen by my groups. So the speaker is the only one that can talk. And so then I do the questions, and there's 4 groups of questions, and those groups are math, science, reading, art and music, and writing, and then PE. And these are the 6 things that they get to choose from. So basically, what you do is you have the speaker choose what he wants. So it might be math, so then the question is 10 plus 10, which we know is 20. He answers it correctly. The group might help him, but he's the only one that's allowed to talk. And then we go on to the next group. And for instance, if they don't know the question, like who discovered Pluto or something like that, then they can search it on Google. But once they have the chance to search it on Google, everybody in the whole class has a chance also to search it on Google. So they have 30 seconds to answer the question at first, and if they don't get it right, everybody in the classroom has 30 seconds to answer it on Google. And whoever gets it right then gets $10. So each time they get a question right, they can get $10, and then whoever gets up to $100 first wins. And this game can really go up to whatever you want. You know, $100, $200, $300, it really doesn't matter. But my game uses really great communication skills between my classroom. All of the kids are communicating with each other, trying to figure out the answers. And it uses Google, which is really just a great technology, site. And the kids love it. I mean, it helps them figure out the answers and whatnot, which is really nice. And it also, for me, it's really nice too because I can go into the groups and see what kids really understand what they're doing and what kids don't, and that's what's good. But Who Wants to Win $100 is just a really good game. I would recommend it for really any ages, from like kindergarten to high schoolers. Just, test the kids on what they're learning. If they have a test or something, review for the test using this game. It's just a really great game that uses technology, communication skills, and the teacher can test the kids' skills too, just by going into the groups and, realizing what kids know what they're doing and what kids don't. I noticed that with first graders, it's really hard for only the speaker to talk, but that's okay. If I take $10 off every time a kid speaks and not the speaker, then they finally get the hint at the end once they keep on losing $10. Anyway, it's just a really good game. I would recommend it for your students too. Thanks.